Okay, so good morning everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is Maestro Safety. Okay, so for today's video, we will be having our short tutorial on how we gonna make, no, or paano natin ipe-prepare yung NIVOS IG2 exam natin at paano natin ipapasa, no, on our first attempt. Okay, so first we have here, if you're familiar with, first before we go to IG2 examination risk assessment, first let me introduce with you guys this, if you're familiar with this, the hierarchy of controls. Okay? Dahil ito po ay napaka-importante nating malaman. Dahil paano po natin gagawin yung risk assessment natin is nakabase po dito sa hierarchy of controls. So first, where is it? Okay. So, yeah. Okay, so we have 5 types, no, of hierarchy of controls, no. So let me introduce you this. So first we have elimination. Okay, elimination. Second is substitution. Third is engineering control. Okay. And then the administrative control. Then the last is the PPE. Okay. So these are the 5 parts of our hierarchy of controls, guys. So better you have to familiarize all of it, no? How it help us, no? Paano natin gagamitin to, no? Paano natin i-apply ito kung tayo ay gagawa ng risk assessment sa NIVOS natin, no? NIVOS exam. So first, elimination. So ano po ba yung meaning ng elimination, no? So to eliminate, no, or to remove or eliminate the hazard. Okay, so how you gonna do it? So maybe, or you can able to remove the specific machineries or equipment, no, or para mawala yung, or ma-reduce or ma-eliminate yung, not reduce, ma-eliminate yung mismong hazard. Okay, so remove or eliminate, tanggalin. Okay, second one is the substitution. Substitution means to change, no, to palitan natin, no, to change or substitute the equipment or machineries. Okay, the equipment or machineries to reduce the hazard. Okay, reduce or lessen the hazard. Okay, let's say reduce or lessen the hazard. How about engineering control? So engineering control, it is part of some kind of isolation, guys, no? Like for example, meron tayong existing na generator sa site, and then this generator is producing around, like, let's say more than 100 decibels, no? So which is masyadong mataas yung noise level niya. So how we gonna control it? Through engineering control. So we have to isolate it, right? Isolate, or to provide some closed partitions or caging or shelters, no, independent, para malesen natin yung mismong noise level niya. So that is one of example of the engineering control, no, to isolate. Let's say to isolate equipment or machineries, to isolate the equipment or machineries to reduce or lessen the hazard. Okay, that's it. Okay, the fourth one. So fourth one is the administrative control. So administrative control, guys. So how we gonna use this administrative control, no, in preparing our NIBOSH exam, IG2 risk assessment. So administrative control, what does it mean? So ito po ay ginagamit natin as part of some kind of information, no, the instructions, the safe system of work, okay, some signages. So more on instructions and information. So kapag ito po yung mga, like for example, signages, okay, the job safety analysis, the safe system of work, the safe work procedure, etc. So ito po lahat ay part ng administrative control, okay? So let's say, put it here, information, then, no, say, to change, okay, to change the way of work, no, to change the way of work of the people to prevent from hazard. Okay, let's say like that, to prevent from hazard, to prevent from exposure, okay, of the hazard, from exposure to hazard. Okay, to change the way of work of the people to prevent from exposure to hazard. So, paano natin gagawin ito? So, by means of information, okay, instructions, okay, the safe system of work, the work procedures, okay, etc. Kapag ito po lahat ay meron, ito po ay bababa sa administrative control. So, how about PPE? So, for sure, alam po natin lahat ng PPE, no? So, ito po ay yung ating personal protective equipment. Okay? So, this is our personal protective equipment. So, kung naririnig nyo po minsan, ito po yung tinatawag natin na the last line of defense. Okay? Saan po natin kinuha yung dito po mismo sa mismong hierarchy of controls. No? Tingnan nyo po, pang-5 siya, no? Elimination, substitution, the engineering control, the administrative control, and the last is the PPE, the personal protective equipment. So, in case po na mag-fail itong lahat na ito, ng apat na ito si elimination, si substitution, at si engineering control and administrative control, meron pa po tayong PPE. No? Kaya po siya tinatawag na the last line of our defense. Okay.